So here I write the code. Print space single quote list comprehension. Single quote completed. Enter. Print in double quote create a list of all even numbers from 1 to 50 using list comprehension. Double quote completed here. Enter. First here create a list of all even numbers from 1 to 50. Enter. First here create one list is equal to in square bracket x for x in range in bracket 1 to 50 close the bracket. If x mod 2 is equal to 0 close the square bracket. Next print in bracket L1. So here first here created one loop for x in range and range start from 1 to 50. And here one condition is used if x mod 2 is equal to 0. If condition is true, it gives the value, otherwise it false. So here in for loop, in for x in range of 1 to 50. So here and create a list of all even numbers from 1 to 50. First here x mod 2 is equal to 1. So here condition is false. Next here x is 2. 2 mod 2 is equal to 0. Yes, here condition is true. Next 3 mod 2 is equal to 0. No, 3 mod 2 is equal to 1. So here again condition is false. Next 4 mod 2 is equal to 0. Yes, here condition is true. Like that to list all the even numbers from 1 to 50 and print L1. So here first I save this code, go to this PC and go to the D drive, and here my folder name is Python, and here I save this code. Here my file name is list.py. I save this code. So here I run this code. So here create a list of all even numbers from 1 to 50 using list comprehension. So here all the even numbers created. So here 2, 4, 3, 8, 10, 12, etc. Next print in double quote /n create a list of squares of number from 0 to 11 using list comprehension. Double quote completed here. L2 is equal to, in square bracket, x into x for x in range in bracket 0 to 11. So close a bracket, close square bracket also, and print in bracket L2, close the bracket. So here again use the for loop for x in range of 1 to 11. So here create a list of square numbers from 0 to 11 using list comprehension. So here create a list of 0 to 11 of square numbers. So here for loop x in range, and here not used any condition. So here directly use a for loop. So here 0. So here first I print 0. 0 is square of 0. Next 1 into 1 is 1. Again here x is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. And here again here x is our 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So here create a list of all the square number from 0 to 11. So I run here code. So here create a list of square of numbers from 1 to 11 using list comprehension. So here created a list of square numbers from 0 to 11. So here 1 in 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. Like that here created a list of square numbers. Next, print double quote /n extract all the numbers from the string in single quote Python programming 112, close the single quote using list comprehension. Close the double quote, enter. So here extract all the numbers from the string Python programming 112 using list comprehension. So here yes is equal to, in single quote, Python programming 112, single quote completed here. So here yes is our string, and our string is Python programming 112. Enter. here created one list is equal to in square bracket x for x in s if x dot s is digit. So here close the square bracket and print L3. So here our string is Python programming 112. So here calculate only the numbers and create one list. So here L3 is equal to in square bracket x from x in s. So here s is our string and here calculate only numbers. So here use one condition x dot is digit. Is digit function is calculate only value. If value is there, it is condition is true, otherwise it is false. So here first I pass, here our string is first start from character P. So here I first pass P. So it is condition is false because s digit is calculate only values, not a characters. So here condition is false. Again I pass here y. So y dot this digit, here condition is again false. Like that I pass t, h, o, n and p, r, o. Last here I pass 1 dot is digit. So here 1 dot is digit, here condition is true because here digit is calculate only the numbers, not a characters. So here our condition is true. And again I pass 1 dot is digit, condition is true. Next I pass 2. So here x is our 2, x dot is digit, here condition is true. So here our output is extract all the numbers from the string Python programming 112 using list comprehension. So here our output is 1, 1 and 2. Next print in single quote /n anonymous function. Single quote completed. Enter print in single quote display square of a number using anonymous function. Close the single quote, enter. Here double is equal to lambda space x colon x into enter print double in bracket 5. So here print display the square of number using anonymous function, the square of a number. So here double is our variable and lambda is our function. So here x is our arguments, colon, and here x is our statement. In Python, here double into is our raise to 2. So here in Python is used in double into. So here x raised to 2. Okay. So here again print. So here I print a variable and here pass one value, that 5. So here 5 raised to 2 is 25. So here output will be display square of a number using anonymous function. So here I pass 5 raised to 2 is 25. So here output is 25. Next, print in single quote /n multiplication of two numbers using lambda function. Single quote completed here. Enter. MUL is equal to lambda space a comma b colon a into b. Enter. Here print MUL means multiplication a into b. So here I pass value 6 and 12. Close the bracket here. 6 is A and 12 is our B. So here 6 into 12 is equal to 72. So here multiplication of two numbers using lambda function. So here 6 into 12 is equal to 72. Next, print in single quote /1 n addition of the numbers using lambda function. Using lambda function. Single quote completed here. Enter. Add is equal to lambda a comma b comma c colon a plus b plus c. So here add the three numbers. Print add in bracket 5, 2 and 9. So here 5 is our A and 2 is our B and 9 is our C. So here A plus B plus C. So here 5 plus 2 plus 9. So here output is 16. 5 plus 2 plus 9. So here addition of 3 numbers is 16. Okay.